Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Sadia and today we're going to be talking about gift guide, holiday gift guide, year-round gift guide, just gift guides. I mean, you can tell this is like a holiday video already, but yeah, I mean, you can use this year-round, and I'm going to try to keep this video really short and simple, just like most relationships in Toronto. If you want to gift someone something that's going to really add value to their lives, make sure you watch this video and yeah, give this a big thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So number one is going to be for the book reader in your life. If you know that they're getting into reading books, or if they're interested like I am, I just started reading books. I'm kind of like on my 4th book right now. If you think this person is a big book reader and they don't have a Kindle and your budget is a little on the higher end, then Kindle is definitely a good gift idea. Number 2 is going to be blue light resistant glasses. Okay, so there are these special kind of glasses with like no power or anything of that sort that just blocks the blue lights from your phone or any sort of screen from entering your eyes, and apparently, yeah, that's supposed to like, that kind of helps you with your sleeping patterns and stuff like that. So yeah, blue light resistant glasses is another good idea to gift to someone who doesn't wear glasses and who could really use the extra help. Number 3 is going to be a little broad, but I'm just going to try to wrap this up as fast as I can. So number 3 is going to be bags. There's like a wide array of bags that you can gift to someone. If the person parties a lot, maybe you can get them like a nice small crossbody. If they're in school or in college, you can get them a nice backpack, or if they're working or if they are a mom, you can get them like tote bags or even diaper bags. So that is a great idea, and there's like a lot of options to choose from. So that is a really good gifting item as well. So December is a good time to give someone packing cubes as gifts, and packing cube is like big on trend right now, but it's also very helpful, and December is also the time when people are traveling, so it might come in handy if you're trying to give it to them a little before they're leaving for a vacation or something like that. So yeah. So everyone and their mothers have smartwatches or Fitbit, like literally everyone and their mothers have it. So everyone has these watches, and a lot of brands, it's everywhere on Amazon. You'll find belts that are custom for these watches or these fitness trackers, and you know, you can really go crazy with it. I really suggest, if you know this person really well, or if you know they have like an Apple Watch or like a Samsung smartwatch, you can gift them these really cool belts, like depending on what they like. Yeah, this makes for a really cool gift as well, and yeah, I've never heard anyone talk about it. It's like a big thing right now, but yeah, I guess that's like another thing that you can gift to someone, and there's like a huge range of prices. Number 6, yes. So we're at number 6, and this is something I got for myself because this is like a good time to make these purchases because they're everywhere, and everyone has like good prices on them. So let me just okay, so like a robe, or like, yeah, just like a wrap or like a bathrobe or something like that. But these things come really handy when you're trying to get ready. I got this one. It's it kind of hits below my knees, and yeah, it's super fun. I wanted one of these for the longest time. I just got this today, and mine's a plush, by the way. This makes for a really nice gift, and this was like super cheap at Costco. Like what? This was like $15 at Costco and $15 Canadian, so that's super cheap. Another like really common but useful gifting item is PJ set. Okay, I got this from Costco as well. This is the Tommy, is it too washed out? Yeah. This is the Tommy set, and it's got this really cute red sweater knit top and plush printed pants. Yeah, the tag is kind of funny here, but yeah, I hope you get the point. I mean, these are like big around this time, and only around this time. I don't know why, as if people only wear PJs during Christmas, like what the heck. Oh, also for robes and PJs, like you can get the really sexy silk ones and the really fun printed ones, the onesies. I mean, you can go crazy with it depending on whom you're gifting it to and what they like and their preferences. But yeah, this also makes for a really nice and useful gift. And I'm gonna be listing everything I talk about down in the description below. If you consider buying anything, I would really appreciate if you use my link. And if you don't, that's fine too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time and your consideration for watching my video out of the millions of videos out there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.